Hey everyone, welcome to. Today I'll show you how to fade audio in and out in After Effects. Alright, here's my project. Click this check mark. Select the audio and set the first keyframe. Like this. Reduce the volume to -50 to silence it completely. Now set where the sound will fade in. Add a keyframe and set it to 0 decibels. Let's say here. It'll sound like this. The sound starts to increase. For fade out, do the same. Add keyframes, keep the middle, then add one to decrease volume. And we get the fade out. There. That's it. See you later.